and or the 8th day of the dark night। तो बच्चों, यह रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल हम कृष्ण पक्ष की अष्टमी को मनाते हैं, जिसे आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। Kids, in this month of Bhadrapad, on this day, temples and homes are wonderfully decorated with the flowers, as you can see here. As we have decorated Shri Krishna here, look at here. Children, this way, all the peoples decorated in their homes, their temples, in which they put Lord Krishna Murti in the jhula, like here you can see, and then swing him. Okay? आप भी ऐसे ही करेंगे अपने घर में, आप भी डेकोरेट करेंगे। तो बच्चों, हम कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी को इसलिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, इस दिन गॉड कृष्णा का जन्म हुआ था, as Swati ma'am told you. So kids, Shri Krishna is considered as a protector, teacher and a friend. आपने सुना होगा कि श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन के बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड थे ना, तो इसी तरह अगर आप उनसे फ्रेंडशिप करेंगे तो वो आपकी हर समय हेल्प करेंगे। Okay? So kids, this festival is known as several names like Gokulashtami, Janmashtami, Krishnashtami and Shri Krishna Jayanti. इस दिन श्री कृष्ण का जन्म हुआ था ना, तो इसलिए हम इसे श्री कृष्ण जयंती भी कहते हैं। ये बहुत सारे नामों से जाना जाता है, इसलिए इसे श्री कृष्ण जयंती भी कहते हैं। जयंती मीन्स चिल्ड्रन जिस दिन कृष्ण भगवान का जन्म हुआ हो, और जैसे हम लोग अपने बर्थडे पे डिफरेंट और न्यू क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं ना, so on this day we decorated Lord Krishna with the new dresses and new accessories and lots of flowers. Yes, it is a main thing to decorate Krishna. Flowers. Krishna took birth to dispel the evil curse. कृष्ण का जन्म क्यों हुआ था? जो कंस था उसका नाश करने के लिए। नाश मीन्स उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए। Children, do you know who is Kans? Kans was an evil king and he was the maternal uncle of Krishna. वो कृष्ण के मामा थे, but he was very cruel. उन्होंने पता है क्या किया था? उनके माता पिता को यानी देवकी को और वसुदेव को जेल में बंद किया था। By killing Kans, Krishna spread a message that श्री कृष्ण ने सबकी हेल्प की थी, अपने मथुरा वासियों की हेल्प की थी। In a 12 year, वो सिर्फ 12 साल के थे और उन्होंने पूरी मथुरा की रक्षा की थी। He is a God, इसलिए उन्होंने 12 year में ही सारी मथुरा की रक्षा की थी। तो आपको भी हमेशा एक दूसरे की सहायता करनी चाहिए और कभी किसी को कोई हार्म नहीं करना चाहिए। जन्माष्टमी नॉर्मली फॉल्स ऑन दी अगस्त एंड सितंबर। ये अगस्त या सितंबर में होती है। लाइक इन दिस मंथ वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी 11th of August, so it will be fall on August or September month. Kids, do you know that all the ladies and all the gents are prepare a Ras Leela, जिसमें और ladies and gents जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? रास लीला करते हैं। रास लीला means dance करते हैं, sing करते हैं, and also they organize a दही हांडी। Yes, दही हांडी। दही हांडी का फेस्टिवल महाराष्ट्र में सबसे ज्यादा फेमस है। आपने देखा होगा ना, महाराष्ट्र में इसे किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। तो बच्चों, ये बहुत उत्साहवर्धक एक फेस्टिवल है जिसमें सबको बहुत उत्साह होता है, आनंद आता है और बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। So children, all are you ready for celebrating Krishna Janmashtami? So let's come with us. We are going to celebrate Lord Krishna birthday and we worship of Lord Krishna. Here is our Shri Krishna. Wow, how beautiful! ये कितने अच्छे सुंदर लग रहे हैं ना? So kids, for worship we need a puja thali in which we have a tulsi patta. There it is. Yes, this is the tulsi. So kids, it is very important for Shri Krishna. ये श्री कृष्ण को बहुत पसंद होती है, उनके सारे भोग में ये डाली जाती है। And the next is मेहंदी पत्ता and flowers, fruits and टीका, चंदन and दिया, and the most important is Makhan and Mishri. Children, Krishna loves Makhan and Mishri. As you can see, we have prepared for Lord Krishna. Now let's start the worship of Krishna.
So kids, now as we have known many facts about Sri Krishna, so let's know something more from the story of Lord Krishna with the animated video. So let's start.
Story of Janmashtami. A long time ago in Mathura, there was a king named Kans who was infamous for his greed and unfair rule. After the marriage of his sister Devaki to Vasudev, a prophetic voice from above announced, Kans, your tyranny is going to come to an end. The eighth son, born to Devaki and Vasudev, will kill you. This enraged Kans and he imprisoned the newlyweds. Kans went on to kill 7 of Devaki's children. When she gave birth to her 8th child, the prophetic voice returned and said, "Take the child across the river Yamuna to Gokul and exchange him with your friends Nand and Yashoda's newly born daughter." Vasudev looked down. To realize his hands had been unchained, he quickly picked up his child and put him in a basket, arriving at the gate to find them open on their own and the guards asleep. As he crossed the stormy river, the basket upon his head, the water never rose above his shoulders. When he struggled, a 10-headed snake appeared to protect the child from the pouring rain. Vasudev by now had realized that his child was a divine being. At Nand's house, Vasudev switched the children and returned to the prison. When Kans arrived and tried to harm the child, it took the form of goddess Durga and said, "The 8th child who is going to end your reign of terror has been born and will fulfill his prophecy." The child Krishna was raised by Yashoda and went on to kill Kans. And so, every year we celebrate the birth of Krishna, also known as Janmashtami, across India.
So kids, as we have done here the worship of Lord Krishna, you have to do the same at your home. And kids, you have to decorate temple with flower and Lord Krishna Jhula with flower and morpang. Kids, now I am going to show you the rhyme of Lord Krishna. So enjoy this rhyme.
Krishna, Krishna, where had you been? I had been to Vrindavan so clean and green.
Krishna, Krishna, where have you been? I have been to Vrindavan so clean and green.
Krishna, Krishna, what did you do there? I broke a butter pot upon the gopi's head.
Krishna, Krishna, what did you do there? I broke a butter pot upon the gopi's head.
Vrindavan is where I lose my heart, for there is the big, big butter pot.
Vrindavan is where you lose your heart, for there is the big, big butter
after doing this, there is a task for you which is very interesting. The task is you have to dress up like Radha and Krishna. बच्चों, आपको राधा और कृष्णा की तरह ड्रेसअप होना है. बॉयज़ कृष्णा की तरह ड्रेसअप होंगे और गर्ल्स राधा की तरह ड्रेसअप होंगी. After this, sing a beautiful bhajan or poem of Lord Krishna and make a video and send it to the office number. Kids, so enjoy your festival with your family. Happy Janmashtami to you and your family. Thank you. Kids, after this, let's do some homework. Today I am giving you some homework, so you have to do it after your task. Okay, bye bye.